Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Precious Moments figurines. Now, Precious Moments has other lines, but we're going to concentrate on the figurines today. They were started in the late 1970s, and of course, this is like most collectibles. There was a limited run, and they would do so many of them. At this point, they have over 1,000 different designs for the Precious Moments. Of course, they do it for a while, and then they stop doing it. Each year has different models. Honestly, I haven't really found that my boomers have been collectors of Precious Moments. I think it's more a Gen X collectible. So let me know in the comments whether it's the boomers in your family or the Gen X that have been collecting these. So a recent study on eBay as to the ones that are selling showed them going anywhere from $5 to $100. So it varies quite a bit as to what the resale value of them is. I did notice that the Christmas ones tend to go from like at least $50 to $100. So they seem to be a little more popular. One of the things that I think is amazing about the Precious Moments is this whole movement now called altered moments, which is people are taking clay and paint and they're actually changing them. And then they're selling those. And those actually sell pretty well. On eBay, they were selling from anywhere from $10 to $80. And I have to imagine for the most part that each one of those is kind of a one of a kind because, you know, you're hand painting them and you're embellishing them however you want. And people are incredibly creative with what they're doing with those. So it's really neat to see someone taking something, a collectible, and altering it in some way and making a completely different collectible. So, are they worth anything? Well, there is some resale value. As with most collectibles, you're probably not going to get what you paid for it. But for some people, they're fun. And like I said, the altered moments are just really cool. So if you haven't checked those out, look at those. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.